calling them and going deep. Hitting no less than 3. Block world style like we. Girl, I can tell you want me, cause lately I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bring you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get so. Smack that, oh. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get so. Smack that, oh. We have to gym. We have to gym today, man. This is Monday. This is Monday morning. But I always love good music when I'm about to gym. I don't know. Well, we have to wait. If the music is not good, we're gonna change it. But just let's wait. Monday gym, man. Monday gym, man. We're going to work. We're going to work today, but simple gym, man. Simple. Oh? Very simple home gym. Can't no here no gym that's your friend. We gotta do this, man. This is Monday 15th. Monday 15th, December 2025, man. we have tried our best, man. From January to December, we continue to gym, and this year is going to an end. 2025 is going to an end. This is the only channel you see. This is the only channel you see. This is the only channel you see. Where you see the real guy behind the channel live from January till December, every day, gym. Okay. You see, this one is just a simple exercise, okay? Simple exercise that we do at home, you know, but we will not be able to do much today because, man, me, you can see me that I'm well dressed now, dressed up, preparing to go to work, you know, but still we cannot do without lifting our own dumbbells. Because this is what keeps us very strong from January to December. This is what keep us very strong. This one I always talk about this.
When you are using your dumbbell, just check it. Check it, man. Check it. Because these things sometimes, man, you know what they do sometimes. It's loose and you will never know, you know. Do you gym every day too? Do you gym every day? Welcome. Welcome to the channel where we chop iron every day. There is no day we don't chop iron here. Okay. So we're gonna tell our brain to stay functional because we are not gonna break our TV because of gym. We will not break our TV because of gym. See this one? The new style I use on this is this bag. So you see, that is our topic. Simple gym. We have done it. We have done it. Because you see me already dressed or prepared for work. So I don't want to sweat. I don't want to sweat. My heater is on. Everything is on. Wearing all this winter stuff. I'm gonna sweat. So I don't want to sweat. But we call it simple gym. And we've made it simple. We've done all the hardest gym from January to December. And when you lift your own dumbbell, it does one thing for you. Mhm. You just always remain, always remain forever young. You will not age. Some people might be looking at this and they'll be thinking, it's not heavy. It's not heavy. Oh, some people might be thinking like that. Then I will tell you, my friend, it's heavy. It's very heavy. Yeah, it's because it's me lifting it. That's why it looks like as if it's light. You know. Fitness guy is the one lifting all those things. That's why it looks as if it's light. You understand? Today, we are not gonna do too much. We have done everything we can do. We have done it from January to December. We have done. Before we do any serious gym now, it's going to be on Sunday, you know, or Saturday, Sunday. That time is always good. You know. So definitely I will not like time to just go against me today, as I'm going to be out very soon going to work. So we're going to end the show right now so that I can leave and go to work too, you know. So we have a lot of videos on our channel. We have our YouTube link above the channel. Yeah, check it out, man. Check out the YouTube channel, man. So definitely I have to off this live now and say thank you so much for coming. Bye bye, man.